Hello children, here we are, getting ready to try to make this beautiful craft about a rabbit. It is, you can see here, it's a origami Easter rabbit. And you've got here the different steps that we're going to follow to create this beautiful craft. First of all, we have to pay attention to these things here when it says fold down and fold up. You have to take into account what each thing is. First of all, we have to take that when we mean fold down, we mean to fold down the paper. So this is fold down. Can you repeat with me? Fold down. Okay. And what is it to fold up? You fold up when you take the paper and you fold in the line up. So this is fold up. And can we repeat it? So this is when you fold down, you fold the paper down like this. So this is fold down and this fold up. Okay? So first of all, we have to take into account that we are going to color our beautiful rabbit. Yeah? So we color it all, and after that we will continue with cutting out the paper and doing it. So please color it well. As you know, you can use colors, you can use pencils, or you can use markers. Yeah, remember, markers, crayons, or pencils. See you in a minute. Now, checking it out, I've discovered that it's better to first take scissors and cut the paper, and when we finish the craft, we will color it. So first, we're going to cut the paper. Here we are now. We cut it out, so we keep this paper in case we need it. And now we're going to start folding the paper, paying attention to the numbers. So first of all, we're going to look for number 1, and as it says here, is this line, we're going to fold it down. Yeah, so we fold that down number 1, and we fold down number 2, number 3, we look for number 3, where are you 3? Yes, here is number 3, number 4, attention, number 4 is different, so we don't fold it down, we have to fold it not down but up. Yeah, okay, see you in a minute. Okay, here it is. From numbers from 1 to 4, we should have something similar to this. Now we continue folding 5, 6, and 7. Yeah, so we fold them in, we fold them down. Okay, continue. Now attention when we get to this point, because we folded 7, and now we're going to fold 8, which is folding 8 like this. So that's number 8, yeah, and then 9 and 10, which is folding up like this, yeah, and to finish with 11. And just to finish, so we got it, we have to press this, and here we are. Our beautiful is